Hey drummers, I'm Jim Linsner, and that was an excerpt from the amazing solo that Rodney Holmes played at the 2005 Modern Drummer Festival. And I know what you're thinking.
I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.
That's why I'm going to show it to you right now. Let's start with what the hands play. It's a 2-measure pattern, but the sticking is the same in both measures. The sticking is para, diddle, diddle, right, left, para, diddle, diddle. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I'm going to play it with my right hand on the cowbell and my left hand on the snare drum. The next step is we're going to play 2 accents with the left hand. You're going to accent on beat 2 and on the an of beat 4. Okay, now let's add the feet. Left foot is going to tap quarter notes and right foot is going to play on the 1 and on the and of 3. The next step is the left hand is going to move to the hi-hat on the E of 3. Now let's check out some of the right hand movements. In the first measure, the right hand is going to play on the floor tom on 1 and on the medium tom on the and of 2. And in the second measure, the right hand moves to the small tom on the anda of beat 1. Now let's put both measures together. Then the next step is to use your metronome and little by little get faster. I'll play it around goal tempo, which is quarter note equals crazy fast. One other interesting thing that Rodney Holmes did in his solo was he actually played just the tom notes first for a couple of measures, and then he came in with that crazy beat. So this is a concept that you can use in your solos. You don't even necessarily have to learn this exact beat. You can, take a beat that just play some of the loud notes in it, and then fill in all the other notes between it. It's so exciting. Really, really cool. Hey, so I'm Jim Linsner, and if you like the way I break things down, please contact me for drum lessons. drumlessonsbuffalo.com.